A lot of Bath & Body Works Spring 2024 collections is out. As y'all do see, these throwback candles, super excited to see these. You know, we've been waiting for these candles to be released. So now they're finally in the store. If you haven't picked yours up, hopefully your stores still have them. These are limited edition candles, so when they're gone, they might be gone. I don't know. But like I said, a lot of the spring collections is coming out in body care as well as candle form. If you haven't got to the stores yet to see the whole collections and the floor sets, when I tell you, it is so pretty. I love these bright colors. I love the fact that like the background is like black and then the pop of color. Love it, love it, love it. And I guess they got this whole neon tropical theme going. Clapping. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not, but I'm clapping. Hats off to Bath & Body Works. They have done their big one with this spring collection. I am really enjoying it. I didn't smell a lot of this body care because my main focus was on the candles, because the candles was a buy one get one free, and y'all know I've been waiting for a candle sale. So I didn't smell any of this stuff, so I'll probably do that on another body care sale. But I was super excited to see the new collections. I really was, and I was super excited to get in the stores. So yeah. Also, with the spring 2024 collection, some of our favorites is back, just repackaged. So yes, if you're been waiting for your favorite spring scent, it is back. So check for that. As y'all do see, beach weather, we love beach weather. And look at this, y'all. Look at the packaging on these candles. I love it. It's giving me beach vibes. On the beach at sunset. Love it. I think this year I'm gonna grab another strawberry daiquiri. Haven't bought it in a while, and y'all already know I'm going for that coconut pina colada. Love it. I did grab that on this sale, but if you've been waiting for these fruity, sweet candles, they're back in the store. This is my season. Y'all know I love spring, summer candles. Love these bright colors. They were demoing the Tropidelic scent, and they were burning the candle instead of doing the oil like most stores do. But this right here, y'all, I need this. I want this elephant candle holder, and it's basically $40. So when I get another 20% coupon, I probably will grab that. The Tropidelic collection, y'all know I've been talking about this collection ever since I've seen the packaging. Love the scent, love the packaging, and when I tell you, you could get it in any form. If you more of a body care person, you could get it in a body care, you could get it in a regular full-size perfume, you could get it in a travel-size perfume, as well as home fragrance. This is the second big collection or big signature scent for the season. As y'all do know, Calypso Clementine was the first one that was released. I don't think nobody's really into it, but this is the second one. And as you do see, you can get it in the shampoo as well as the conditioner. Yes. I'm all in for this, y'all. All in. Trying my best to be on a soap no buy. So far I'm doing pretty good, but a lot of the tropical soaps is in the store, but for me it's going to be a pass. go ahead and grab my candles. This buy one get one sale, love it. So if you have a coupon, 20% coupon, you could get the candles for as low as $10.78, I believe. So this is a really, really good sale. So yes, I did just grab these two candles. Yes, the candles we all been waiting for. We've been super, super excited for these two candles. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, the day we've been waiting on for weeks is finally here. Also, what's finally here is a good candle sale. This sale is really, really good. It's buy one, get one. So you get two candles for the price of one, of course. And then if you have a 20% coupon, the one that I had expires tomorrow. So this is a good sale. You could get the candles for around like 10 something. I think I paid like 10.76. 10.78. I feel like they should have been a little bit cheaper, but because y'all know the prices of these candles is going up, so I paid 10.76. It's around my price point. You know, I love to get candles under around $10, $10.50, under $11. So this was my goal price. Yes, yes, yes. This is the price point that I've been waiting on. As y'all do know, I haven't really been buying a lot of candles because I just been waiting on a good sale. This sale will go on until Wednesday, so you got a little bit of time, but you don't have much time if your coupon expires. I did smell it, and it is like super, this one, the pink gumball, super sugary, super sweet, smells like gum, rainbow gumdrops, sugar, vanilla, and pink spawn sugar. Spawn sugar? Yeah. So that's what this is. It's most definitely sweet. It smells like gum. It kind of puts you in the mind of that real cheap gum, the hard gum, when you chew it for a while. It's super sugary when you first chew it, but after you chew it for a while, it gets super hard. That gum. That's what it smells like. Hubba Bubba as well. And as I do, I can't remember the scent notes from the other one, but I remember saying something about juicy watermelon, a hint of vanilla, and I think pink sugar. This one don't have no kind of watermelon in it. It's just basically sugar, vanilla, and then rainbow gumdrops. Yes, yes, yes. It's nice. I hope it throws. So when I get home, I'm going to burn this to make sure it's not hoard worthy. What do you think about this? Have you got your hands on this? Now let's talk about this packaging, y'all. What do you think about the packaging? The packaging is not giving me. It ain't giving me what I need. It's just the gumball machine. Just blue dots. It's not giving me that packaging that I was looking for good after. But I think the packaging is just supposed to be playful, fun, like carnival style, clown style, like somebody used the word tacky, I guess. But these fun, bright colors, summer like, makes you happy. When you look at it, you get happy. You just look at this as a fun candle. Now, the next one I got is the root beer float. I don't really like this packaging either, but if I had to pick out of the two, I think I like root beer packaging better. But yes, the root beer candle, I got this one as well. And when I tell you, it's true to its name, root beer float. Now, very much root beer. Oh my goodness. On code, I really don't get the float part, but you most definitely get that root beer. Wow. This is super strong on code. Oh my goodness. And I hope it's be a powerhouse, which I got a feeling it might be,
But when I tell you, this is strong on cold. And it could just be because that root beer scent is just strong. It's just strong. Maybe I get the root beer. The root beer is most definitely strong. But on that back end, I kind of get, like, when you mix the float together, you kind of get that. It's not too much vanilla ice cream, and it's not too much. It's like a really good balance. You get the root beer for sure, but that ice cream part comes behind it. Almost like when you're making the root beer float, when you're pouring the root beer into the ice cream, that burst of scent you get, that's what this is giving me. Your first initial scent, yes, most definitely the root beer is the top thing that you're going to smell. As soon as you smell it, you're going to get that root beer. But once you keep smelling it and smelling it, then you kind of get that balance, that mix, that ice cream and the root beer. But when you first take this lid off, burst the root beer in your face. Heavy on the root beer. And if you don't like root beer, you probably not going to like this. You might like it when it's burned, but like your initial smell, if you don't like root beer, you're going to be totally against this. But if you keep on smelling, that's when you get that root beer float. But your initial scent is going to be straight on root beer. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Leave your girl some comments, leave your girl some emojis, hit the notification bell, do all those things I usually say do in the videos. Y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.